Hey, hi Pramila. Good afternoon. How are you? Pramila, am I audible?
Oh, sorry. I'm on mute. Sorry.
Great.
Uh, Good afternoon, sir.
Great. All right. Can you please switch on your camera?
Yes.
Great. Nice to see you. All right. Are you comfortable? Can we start? Pramila?
Yes,
Great.
yes, sir.
Can you
Yes.
please go ahead with your introduction?
Yes, sir. First of all, I would like to say thanks to you because of you give me the opportunity to introduce myself. So, myself, Premila Kandesar, and I have completed my bachelor's in computer applications in 2013 from Shivaji University, Kolhapur. And I have a 2 years of experience as an automation tester. So come to the my roles and responsibilities. So I have first understand the business requirement specification, and after that convert the requirements into the test cases or test scripts. And also for mm, also if we found any uh, after that we execute the test cases, and if we found any defects, so that time we report to the developer and fix them it. And after that we use the automation Selenium as an automation tool, and we use the Java language to write the scripts. And also I have a knowledge about the API testing. For that we using the Postman tool, and we use the build and management tool Maven for the test cases. And framework is a test ng, and we use the page object model to separate the classes or separate the pages test cases on a different pages. And for system control version we use the git. So that's all about myself and roles and responsibilities.
Okay. So, which Java language version have you used for your automation?
uh, Java 17 we are using for the automation.
Okay, great. So, can you please tell me what is the difference between abstract class and interface as per Java 17?
Okay, abstract class is declared with the abstract keyword, and also and abstract class contains the abstracts as well as non-abstract method, and interface contain only the non-abstract method which is incomplete. And abstract supports to the constructor, and interface doesn't support to the constructor. And we can't create the object of the abstract class, so that we have an approach to create the object of the concrete class. And in interface also we can't create the object of the interface, so that's why we have an approach to create the implementation class. And um, I know about that point.
So,
And
is
okay.
is constructor available in abstract class and interface?
No, only in the abstract class, not in the interface.
If constructor available in abstract class, then how we can access it?
I'm not getting the question actually.
How we can access the constructor of the abstract class in Java?
Abstract class in Java by using the new keyword.
Are you sure? Can we create an object of the abstract class?
No, sorry, we can't create the object of the abstract class. Sorry.
Mhm.
Uh,
Okay.
we create the object of the concrete class, uh, and also we can use the super keyword to call the constructor parent class constructor.
Okay, fine. So can you please tell me what is meant by the upcasting and downcasting in Java?
Okay, it is a type of the casting, non-primitive casting. So in upcasting, here we can convert the one type of class into the another type of class. That means in upcasting mm, we provide the inherit the subclass properties to the superclass, but before that we needs to perform the inheritance first, where we can extend the properties from the superclass to the subclass. So after that we perform the upcasting after the inheritance. And also we can declare the new properties in the subclass, but we can't access the new properties. We can access only the existing properties. And mm, we can use the that means parent class reference variable, and then we can assign it to the child class.
Mm-hmm.
And next one is a downcasting. Downcasting, it is also type of the non-primitive casting. So here we can inherit the properties from the superclass, but before that we needs to perform the upcasting. After upcasting, we perform the downcasting, and it is a explicit way to so that is not recommendable in a Java.
Okay, fine. Let me move ahead. Um, can you please tell me what is mean by the private constructor in Java?
Uh, I didn't know about that much about the private constructor, but I know the only few points, like if we declare a constructor as a private, so that time we can't extend this class also, and we can't create the object of that constructor class.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is mean by the uh, what is the difference between error and exception in Java?
Okay, error and exception. Okay, error is happens because of the system issue, and exception it is happens due to the programmer, and also programmer can't handle the error. It is beyond of the programmer, and exception can handle by the programmer by using the try and catch block. And error like stack overflow. For example of the error, that is the stack overflow. Then lack of memory, then memory out of stock. And there is a errors are only checked errors. There is only one type of the error. And exception, there are two types: checked exception and unchecked exception. So checked exception are checked by the compiler, and unchecked exception are not checked by the compiler. And exception like arithmetic exception, IO exception, file not found exception, and null pointer exception. That's
Okay, fine. So can you please tell me what is mean by the uh, fine. So can you please tell me how we can define and customize exception in Java?
we can define the customized exception by using throws keyword. Not that much of aware about, sir, actually.
Okay, how we can define custom exception in Java?
By extending the class.
Mm-hmm.
But only one point: by extending the class, we can throw the custom exception.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what are the collections classes are you aware of?
Yeah, there are array list, vector, linked list, that are the collection classes, and also hash set and linked hash set.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is the difference between hash set and link hash set?
Okay, has it is implemented by the set interface, and linked has also implemented by the set interface. And duplications are allowed, not allowed in the hash set, as well as not allowed in the linked 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 hash set or linked set.
Hash set and link hash set.
Okay, link hash set. Okay. And also then getting the points actually.
No problem. Let me move here. What is the difference between hash table and hash map in Java?
No sir, not other sir.
Okay, fine. Let me move here. Can you please tell me what is meant by the, uh, what is meant by the tree set in Java?
Tree set. It is a tree set is implemented by the set interface, and also in tree set it is a structure like tree structure, and also there is a only one null value is allowed, and order of insertion is not maintained, and uh, duplicates are not allowed in the tree set.
Okay, fine. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me the Selenium WebDriver architecture?
Yes, Selenium WebDriver architecture consists of four parts. First one is a Selenium client library. Then after that, JSON protocol. Sorry, JSON, and then browser driver, and then real browser. So we can write a script by using the Selenium client library, and after that Selenium client library convert this test script to the JSON uh, by via HTTP protocol, and after that it sends to the browser, and browser driver mm, converts this command to the JSON, convert the JSON command to send the JSON command to the real browsers, and after that we perform the actions on the real browsers like clicking, entering the text, etc.
Mm-hmm. Fine. Can you please tell me what is the difference between find element and find elements?
Okay, if we want to search a single element on the web page, so that time we use the find element method. And if you want to search the multiple elements on the web browser, so that time we use the find elements method.
Mm-hmm. If you won't get any element, then what will happen in find element and what will happen in find elements?
If, after getting the element,
If you won't get any element, then what will happen in find element and find elements?
that time we adds the uh, explicit wait to wait for the certain amount of the condition.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
Fine, let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is meant by the XPath?
XPath. Okay. By using XPath, we finds the uh, elements on the web page. So there are two types of XPath. First one is absolute XPath and relative XPath. So absolute XPath is start from the forward slash, and also for the absolute XPath, it is we need to write the XPath from the root of the root. root of the structure, and here we needs to detail knowledge about the HTML also. So that's why it is not recommendable. And we prepare the relative XPath because of we can access the elements from the web page from any of the position, and it is start by the double forward slash.
Okay. All right. What is the difference between build and perform?
Okay. If we want to perform multiple actions on the web element, so that time we use the build method. And if we want perform the single action on the web elements, so that time we use the perform method. And these both are the actions class method.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Fine. Can you please tell me how we can handle the cookies in Selenium WebDriver?
Mm, by using driver dot manage dot delete all cookies or accept all cookies method.
Okay. Fine. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is meant by the Maven build lifecycle? Do we have?
I will build cycle. Didn't
No worry. Let me
remember.
move ahead. Can you please tell me what is the hierarchy of the test ng annotations?
Okay, at the rate before shoot, then at the rate before test, then at the rate before class, at the rate before method, then at the rate test, then at the rate after method, at the rate after class, then at the rate after test, and at the rate after shoot.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is the difference between before class and before test?
Before class and before test. Didn't remember actually.
Okay, no problem. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is mean by the what I mean to say? What is the difference between put and post in Java?
Okay, so put that means if we want to update any data on the resource, so that time we use the put method. And if there is no data existing, that time it will create the new data on the resource. And post method is used to the always create the new data on the resource.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Okay. And if data is not available, then what will happen in put request?
It will create the new data.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is meant by the stateless in a REST API?
Stateless. I didn't remember. Sorry, sir.
No problem. What is the difference between query parameter and path parameter?
Okay. So query parameter is at the end of the URL, and it is followed by the question mark. And it use of the query parameter is to sorting and filtering the data. And parameter, it is the part of the URL, and it is include inside the inside the braces. And use of the patch parameter is to identifying the specific resource or information.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Can you please tell me what is mean by the how we can create a new branch from a main branch?
We can create a branch by using the init command, initial, no, sir, sorry.
No problem. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is the difference between what is the difference between before tag and background tag in a Cucumber?
No, sir, don't think, sorry.
Don't know.
Mhm.
Okay. Can you please tell me what is mean by the what is mean by the monochrome in Cucumber?
No, I don't have that much knowledge about the cucumber, sir. Really.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Let me move ahead. Okay. Then what is mean by the if you want to run the specific test case on the specific time, how we can run in a pipeline?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Fine. Okay. I think I'm pretty much good from my side, Pramila. Let me stop the recording and I'm gonna start the feedback for you.
Thank you, sir.